If you're looking to make lovely print like this for your home gallery or your room decor and you want this on a budget, keep watching this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If you've been here before, thank you very much for coming back, and if this is your first time, you're welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this lovely wall prints for less than £15 for the set of 3, both the frames and the prints. The prints are from Aliexpress and it's a set of 3 for £10.74 as at when I got them from Aliexpress. There are 3 variations of the prints. This is the one I got. It's got a marble background with the Prada and the Chanel perfume. This is the second one, which is the rose gold print with the perfume in the middle, while the last one is also a rose gold but with the floral print in the middle. I got them from the Freestyle Decor store on AliExpress in size 30 by 42 centimeters, and it is available in various sizes. I will leave the link in the description box. You can get these prints from any store on AliExpress. All you have to do is just go to the AliExpress website and just search what you need, like Prada prints or Chanel prints, and it will give you loads of options. The packaging was really good. It came rolled up in a PVC pipe, so it wasn't damaged. The prints were really vibrant, it was not blurry, and the delivery time was reasonable. Less than a month to the UK. Please, if you are watching this and you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share my videos, and also turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post new videos. Thank you very much. So now to the frames. I got the frames from Poundland. They were £1 each. It's available in color white, black and silver, and the measurement is 29.7 by 42 centimeters as an A3 frame. So for this print, I went for the silver one. I got 3 of it, so that is £3 for the 3 frames. The frame is made up of lightweight wood and acetate to cover the print. It is not glass, but it actually does the job. So in total, I spent the sum of £13.74. £10.74 for the 3 sets of prints and £3 for the frames. These prints could have easily cost me over £40 just for the prints, but I've been able to make the prints and the frames for just over £10. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope I've inspired you on ways in which you can get your home decors at a very affordable price, adding a bit of class and making your home more beautiful. Thank you very much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.